So as I told you, if there is 2 points in the Cartesian plane, say P is x1, y1, Q is x2, y2, then the distance between these 2 points will be PQ, and the distance PQ, how to find? We're going to use the distance formula. The distance formula is given by what? The distance between the point P x1, y1 and Q x2, y2 is PQ, and it is equal to what? Square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Here x1, y1, x2, y2, 1 and 2 are suffix. Okay, then how to find the distance between the point and origin? Say again, we have x, y, sorry, x dash, y dash, and say we have a point P. The origin is the place or the point where the two axes meet is called the origin. Origin is here. It is taken as O, and the coordinate is 0, 0. The point where the two axes meet, that is called the origin. Now the distance between the point and origin is given by what? The distance between the point and origin. The distance between the point Px, y Pxy from the origin O, the coordinate of origin is 0, 0, is given by, say, OP, and it will be what? It will be x2 square plus, x square plus y square. It is x square plus y square. The point where both the axes meet, that point is called origin, and the coordinate of origin is 0, 0. So these are the two formulas we're going to use in the first exercise. So write it down, and once you're done, you can raise it. And you have to remember this formula. The distance between any 2 points is given by x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And the distance between the point and origin is given by what? X square plus y square. And once you are done, you can raise a hand. Okay, let's move to the question number. We'll say exercise 7.1, question number B1. You have to find the distance between the pair of points, this and this. So let's take it. The question is 2, 3. So we'll take the 2 points as AB, let A 2, 3 and B 4, 1 be the given points. Therefore, distance AB will be given by x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, now first point we are taking A is 2, 3, and the second point we are taking as B, and B is what? 4, 1. So first point A can be taken as x1, y1, and the second point B can be taken as x2, y2. So to find the distance between the point A and B, or to find the distance AB, the distance between the point is AB. So how to find the distance AB? We're going to use this formula, and in this formula put the values. X1 is how much? Sorry, x2 is how much? 4 minus, you're going to see the rough work. Is the rough work. In the rough work, you can do like this, and you can mark it x1, y1, x2, y2. So any point can be x1, y1, any other point can be x2, y2. Instead of A, I can write x1, y1 for B also, and x2, y2 for A also. Now put the values. Solve it. 4 plus minus 2 square is minus square, plus 2 square, minus square is plus, 2 square is 4. So it is root 8, and root 8, if you take LCM, 8 is what? 1, 2 will come out. So it will be 2 root 2 units. Okay, once you're done, you can raise your hand. Now the measure of the distance will have a certain unit, but here no unit is mentioned, whether it will be in cm, meter. So since there will be a certain unit, we're just going to write units. Okay, so I think it's done. Now number 3, let's do number 3. Bit B13. Okay, so the question is A comma B minus A comma minus B. Let the first point will take it as A and the second point will take it as B. Let A this one and B this one be the given points. Therefore, distance AB is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square in the rough. You can take the points. Now see and put the values. Here x2 is minus A, minus x1 is A, and y2 is minus B and y1 is B. So it'll be minus 2A square plus minus 2B square. Now minus square is plus, 2 square is 4, A square. Again, minus square is plus, 2 square is 4, and B square will be B square. Now, from 4 and 4, we can take 4 common. And if you take 4 common, what will get? 4A square plus B square. From 4A square and 4B square, I have taken 4 common. So inside the bracket, what will be left? A square plus B square. After taking common, we can bring this 4 out of the root. So we know 4 square, root of 4 is how much? 2. So bring it out of the root. 2 will come out of the root, and it will be A square plus B square units. So from 4A square and 4B square, we are taking 4 common, and after taking common, what is left inside? What is left? You write inside the bracket. So what is left? A square plus B square is left. And after taking common, we can bring it out of the root if we can. We know what root of 4 is 2, so 2 will come outside the root, and inside the bracket will be what? Or inside the root, it will be what? A square plus B square. Okay, once you're done, you can raise your hand. Okay, fine. Let's move to the next question. Okay, question number 2. Find the distance between the point this and this we're going to do the first part of the question. Find the distance between the point 0, 0 and 36, 15. So you have to find the distance between the point 0, 0 and 36, 15. So let's take it. So we'll take, let O 0, 0 and O 0, 0 we are taking as O, and 36, 15 we are taking as A. Sorry, 35, 15 we are taking it as A, be the given points. So therefore distance AO, how to find, use the same formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, it's 36. Okay, fine. 36. So make it 36. So x1, y1, x2, y2. So put the values. x2 is 0, minus x1 is 36. Again, y2 is 0, minus y1 is 15. So it'll be minus 36 square minus 15 square. Now 36 square is how much? One, 2, 9, 6 plus 15 square is 2 to 5. Minus square is plus, 36 square is 1296, and minus square is plus again, 15 square is 2 to 5. So we'll get 1521. Find factors, prime factors. On the 3, 2 in hand. 3, 6 are 18, 2 in hand, 3, 9 are 27. So it is coming out 3 into 13. And 3 into 13 is how much? 13. Okay, once you're done, you can raise a hand. Yeah, I can see only 19 hands. Okay, so it's done. Okay, next we'll see question number 3. Determine if the point is that these are collinear. Now we have 3 points. We'll take the 3 point as ABC, and we have to tell whether they are collinear or not. The word collinear means they will lie in the same straight line. Let A 1,5, B 2,3, and C -2, -11 be the given points. Okay, now we have to show that A, B, C are collinear. We have to find and tell whether they are collinear or not. Now they will be collinear if they lie in the same straight line. So we have to see whether they lie in the same straight line or not. And if they lie in the same straight line, it will be collinear. And how to tell that? We'll find the distance between A and B, then B and C, then again AC. First we'll find AB, then we'll find BC, then we'll find AC. And then we're going to see whether, okay, first let's find it, and then I'll tell how to see whether they are collinear or not. So to tell whether these 3 points are collinear, we'll find AB, BC, and AC. So first find AB. AB means the distance between the point A and B. So it will be what? The same formula, the distance formula. That is what x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now x2 is what? Okay, for A and B, you can take x1, y1 and B as x2, y2. So x2 is 2 minus x1 is 1 whole square plus again y2 is how much? 3 minus y1 is how much? 5 whole square. Okay, so solve it. 1 square is 1 plus minus square is plus 2 square is 4. So we root 5. Okay, next we'll find BC. Below this, all right. Next we'll find BC. BC is what? Again, same formula, x2 minus x1. Now for B and C. For BC, if B is x2, y2, C can be the x1, y1. Any point for BC, any point can be x1, y1, any other point can be x2, y2. Okay, so B is x2, y2, so we will take C as x1, y1. Now C and put the value. X2 is how much? 2 minus x1 is how much? Minus 2 plus y2 is how much? Y2 is 3 minus y1 is what? Minus 11. Now solve this. 2 minus there. So remove the bracket, minus into minus is plus 2 square plus 3 minus into minus plus 11 square. 4 square plus 11 plus 3 is 14 square So it will come out how much? 16 plus 14 square is how much? 196. So it is 212. Let's keep it like this. And then we'll find AC. Okay, right after this. Okay, I can say 18 hands. Okay, understood. So I'm drawing the first part. So AB, we got √5. BC, we got √212. Let's find AC. AC will be equal to what? Again, the same formula. X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square. Now for A and C. So A can be X1, Y1, and C can be X2, Y2. So you can take it in the rough. Okay, near it you can write it. A can be X1, Y1. That is for your understanding only. It will be easy for you to understand. So because of that, it is better to write on the right side and take A as X1, Y1 and B, C as X2, Y2. It is not an hard and fast rule that we have to take A as X1, Y1 or C as X2, Y2. We can take A as X2, Y2 and C as X1, Y1 also. The answer will be the same. So if one point is X1, Y1, the other point will be X2, Y2. So just see and take it. Now put the values. X2 is how much? -2. Minus X1 is how much? 1. Again, Y2 is how much? -11. Minus Y1 is how much? 5. So it is how much? -3 square plus -16 square. So it is coming out 9 plus 256. And 9 plus 256 is 265.